umama gave birth to a girl.
I like that spirit.
And izalwanga ndine parts like zabantu basebuhlanti. And I feel like ngoku buyaqaphela I've noticed ba amachera amaninzi athanda ubizwa ngetyhani.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Don't do that.
Bafuna umagrita
yes and a lot of colors.
Wow.
They want to like do music with me. I don't know about evils are rapping Africans. Njengoba umuntu zawo text ngumuntu Africans, umuntu uzofuna uqalethela la ni man. You know how we do this thing, you know how we do that, you know how we do that. Ayo chill, I am gonna so but I feel like mina artists ezininzi lose origin bebefike like industry because of the pressure.
Move no more.
Siyafuna ucollab as female artists, but you know why? So drop la track, class dropile la track. Do you know what's going to happen? Ubani ucula nswembu kunobani, ubani ucula nswembu kunobani. They work the game. For Uti to show love to me as a young artist, he doesn't have bye feature.
Yes.
With her texting me inbox, you like unswembu, like keep it up. That's the motivation I can like hold on to like for a long time. I know Jikowala said this.
Yeah. Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Sondela, Amela, yeah. Asipatelo kuhlibu twangena. Oh, isagalanga neno. Ngoba ufuna ukuphoswa ilendo. Usikuphathelo kuhlibu twangena.
Namsike iphiko on right mos. Ivelile. I don't know what is iphiko lam short. Relax. The grand.
Uzibona njani?
And fresh.
Maybe if ungasondela kancane.
Okay.
Yeah, you just let it be there, just something like that. There we go.
Okay.
We are alive. We are alive.
God bless. We're in it.
You start on this one.
Direct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we are good. We are rolling.
Yeah. This is Lloyd Nessa McKinsey, you know that. So silapha New Wave podcast. Sina guest yethu uEve. Simfume. Sizena ephila simkhangela ikapa lonke sizena ephila. Sisomjani.
Ndiyaphila khona bhuti wami njani wena?
Yaphila Lloyd umfumane nje every time. So siswami abantu abaninzi abafuna ukwazi ngoEve. Binqa lokuqala benze njani? Because there are a lot of people engicinga ba kudala befuna ukufumana all over. Basafuna ufikelela kuwe bangenza njani and then okokuqala uEve ngubani?
Okay, uEve igama lakhe nguEviwe.
Yes.
Ifane ngumzimba ndihlala eKhayelitsha down to Likaslam.
Down to
Likaslam.
Sure.
So I'm like igama uEve lisuka pha kuEviwe.
Okay.
Asandalithanda la gama because Eve ngabafana most yabo ngoku. Yeah. So asandalithanda igama but abazali bami belithanda. So kube ngiqala umculo kuyanyanzeleka kube negama.
Yabo.
So ke ngoku I drafted amagama amaninzi ndizibiza EVVV. I was like I make sense.
Anything nje no
make sense.
Yeah.
So like since utata ngumfundisi, my dad is a pastor, so like benimane ndivula na eBhayibhile ndijonge phaba anofumana nto na.
Yeah.
But I'm like utata ebethanda undibiza Eve sometimes, so I was like hey
ndiyayibona ngole ndino Eve pastor Eve. Okay.
Yeah, so I was like manisebenzela igama Eve yabo, so igama lami nguEve like EVE. The moment ndiqala ucula everything was with Eve because bakhona abantu kuthe bayacula bezibiza igama elithile but afumanise ba dalchinja, so igama lami has been uEve like since back then ba Eve. So ke just that ibili igama belingeka ubone like ndiyal emphasize mina bingabantu abathile bendibiza ngalo. So it happened xa ufuna uregisterisha could it not ibe ngila EVE because sekhona omni.
Okay.
So xa iproducer yami yanibona ba ndiyalithanda igama because baba like yakho wena uyochinja. I was like yeah,
you can't get the same name.
But xa ndibuya the next day studio na xa waweza nenzele artwork since I was going to drop my first song and wabebhalela EEV yabo
Yeah.
wathi ndakubona uba ulifuna utshintsha igama, so I made things easy for you basi.
ngifuna lo V
I
phakathi.
was like, as long xa uyibize sithi Eve mna I'm cool,
Yeah,
yabo.
yeah.
So Eve is art. I do music, I dance, I do poetry. I'm an actress too, yabo. I do a lot
love
of
it.
things. That's why I say Eve is art, because
Yes.
everything that has to do with entertainment, I'm always involved in.
Thank you. I love it. So, your dad is a pastor. You know, your dad being a pastor, sometimes even tripnyana go to industry because hey, other artists are playing dirty. You know, industry to you very ngendlela abantwana abadala, especially to a pastor. So, how does your dad take that?
I know what I'm saying, because not ekhaya. Maybe kweminye imizi, but not kwaMzimba. I don't want to lie. Since I started doing music, was back in 2019. I was doing grade 9.
Yes.
So umuntu waqala urap ekhaya was ubrother wami omdala, but back go rap sase Eastern Cape. So if Eastern Cape ufumane access your recorder, you don't know about uzaqhubeka ukuthini. You don't know how to drop music. Sizinkeja asina more information about all that.
Managers,
so if ukwazi urecorda lo ngoma ayikoma nayo yayibona bakhange masterishwe, the best you can do is ba uhamba icula uvisa abantu. That's the only thing. So ikhare yakhe more like iphelele up. And that was like back in 2015 2016 yabo. But Lashem I was like ndanqomba yonda bayo Lashem. And ke brother was also like a dancer, like period.
No,
a dancer.
It's in blood.
Yeah, so but ngela xesha ubaba wami rap utata wami emane wayephangele eKapa, so wefika nge-holidays yabo, so wengaphanga attention kulonto.
Okay.
But xa sifika ke apho brother wami ayeka yonke lonto, hayi bomba imsebenzelanga yena emaxoxeni. But xa sifika mna ndafika apha again senze grade 7, but ka grade 9 I was like ndifuna yenza serious man lento, because xa ngena like ku social media ndiyabona kuthiwa kukho i-rappers ezicula isiXhosa, stuff like that. I was so inspired, Shem, I don't want to lie. And especially when I was told Tikwal, I was like, yo, I feel like I can do it. Yeah. So I went to the studio, I recorded, and then I recorded just the hook, and I came back home.
That was your first time?
First time. I recorded just the hook. I don't want to lie, my parents are so supportive. My parents, they are so supportive.
I love that.
Mfundisi, when the hip hop, not ekhaya. Matter of fact, ekhaya bangena by 8. That's the only thing I can choose, by 8. And it's only my big brother who's like well focused kudene skolo. The rest we are born by skolo,
but there's this thing eslandelayo.
Art, I don't want to lie. So ekhaya support, I don't want to lie. My parents, since back then, they have been like supporting me.
So it became some sort of a nature.
Yeah, and my dad is my best friend. So if I want to do something, like he pays attention to that. So iba khona la ukuthiwa yo tata xa kumfundisi hip hop especially rapper.
If there's this thing, if yabon, like especially in our days, is born by industry, hiba broad. Ne? You as Eve, let's say the province where you are now, up in Cape Town, what are you willing to change? Because there are artists as dollars are cola, 20 years in cola, but there is no change.
I'm doing there.
You see,
just pause a little bit about before upendule lombuzo lo. I think the name umbuzo like olandela kulento buqobo kule nkcazelo buqobo sinika yona. Mhlambi before wena ubekanti uyaqala ukucula yabo andiyazi baba usenza ntoni before kodwa ngombe lo muntu vele wakubomba ukuchukumisile lo uyaqala uyamlandela and yasithanda istyle sakhe ungabi ngenhloni umnike flowers umuntu ba.
Okay, I don't want to lie, nguthi Kowala
God
yabo, and uKhanyi Mavi and uKhanyi Mavi yabo, and ukuphela umbuzo wakho, you asking me like don't there's no change and stuff like that. Well, I feel like in ngoku there are so many styles.
That's what I'm saying.
Ngoku umuntu angavuka rap uyestudio ufika uthi udrop lo track izokwenza numbers lonto yabo, uqibile like hit umhlaba leyo yabo, like yabo ngoku it's like that. I don't want to lie and for not talk, but mina mandithethe kwelami icala yabona. Mna one thing I know is that yabo xa ukho artist a male kuthiwa no like artist but xa ukho kuthiwa you are female artist yabo but yabo ke mina ke andinangxaki nalonto yabo because at the end of the day I know but like umama gave birth to a girl yabo
I like that spirit
andizalwanga ndine parts like zabantu basebuhlanti and I feel like ngoku buyaqaphela female artist yabo zalabe ba hasumbize nge-female artist mna the artist yabo and they be like ubone they're so into adapting ngathi ngokuba zenza amajita and stuff like that I don't want to lie mna ndifull londo matter of fact mna it's cool kolami icala I'm very very cool with umntathi ba I feel like I'm a female artist because ndiyazazi ba egqibele ndiyi aka boobs bro like I'm a female so then azabenga nditrigger ba so the female and I always say that mna because I've noticed ba amachera manje zathanda ubizwa ngetyhani don't do that
bafuna uma greater gender you see
because you know why I feel like lanto ba and I don't blame them maybe at some point it's how they feel but like manpower but I don't want that because I believe like a woman power is capable of, like on itself like it doesn't need to be compared to manpower if I know that I'm a female I know that I'm capable if like you're saying I'm a female artist like I'm a female I'm cool with that don't do that don't
you
so I feel like like the reason ingathi game like iyachinja abantu abaninzi decided to shift kwi origins bebezizwe emculweni umuntu efika ecula ngohlobo but ngokusimbona senje umuntu ufuna ufita
switching
yabo baya switcha bona wonke umuntu uzama because at the end of the day ndicula isiXhosa yabo because jango ndicula isiXhosa but I have a lot of colors they want to like do music with me I don't know about if uza rapper ngeAfrikaans bafuna ukwazi umculo namba ndibona nthi ndicula nganto ngesiXhosa so but they would love a collab yesiXhosa neAfrikaans do something like etheni engenayo uzayibona phi pressure ku rappers once rappers mhlambi njengoba umuntu ozawo text ngumuntu Afrikaans umuntu uzofuna uqala etala ni man you know how we do this you know how we do that you know how we do that ayo chill I am gonna so I feel like mina artists ezininzi lose origin bebefike beyoki like industry because of the pressure
and
jonga mamela indlela ocula ngayo ayohlukile indlela ocula ngayo hluke kakhulu njengoba uthi wena oyena umuntu kwenze umdla uba mawucule ibinguDigwala but indlela ocula ngayo ayifani noDigwala different kakhulu mhlambe wena ungathi wena because iyakwazi uthatha izinto into eyi1 kumuntu omnye uthatha izinto kubantu abohlukeneyo mhlambe lento uqomba wena mawuhlale apha esiXhoseni kakuhle futhi ungaphazamiseki mhlambe ngubani wena umuntu ukhuthazayo ngalonto
okay so indikanje umna like ndizelelwe apha eKapa eDelft so like my brother wam not literally brother wam malume wam but back then he was like still young so we thanda udlala i3 months cup yabo ezangoma ze3 months cup izulu lelam so usahamba sa Eastern Cape we spent like 5 years at Eastern Cape so ezangoma sasizimamela siseseKapa sisazimamela asinazo nefone akwazi download and stuff like that so mna ngoku but still wanna say Eastern Cape ndizicula ezangoma yabo i3 months cup okhanya imavi and stuff like that yabo ndicula ezangoma zesiXhosa yabo and then xa ndibuya back and like utata like when espan so ikwazi uthengela ifone and stuff like that xa nefone ndingena ku social media as uDigwala was the first female artist to pop up ku line up yamba like ya rap yabo I knew i3 months cup I knew like ukhanya I knew like a lot of artists yabo but ngokuba kuthiwa ngoko okay xesha lika Evie kuthiwa Evie ne phone yakhe yakwazi ungena ku Facebook acofe uDigwala was the first to pop up yabo inspiration yakhe but damn ucula itsotsi style and it's working for her yabo mina ndiyazazi bani ngafuna urapper ngarapper njani so it would also like work for me yabo so like anfuna uxoka yavele yafika yandihlala lo hlobo mina because uDigwala is the reason like I was inspired anfuna uxoka ba because like she was the first female artist to pop up ku timeline yam when ndiqala banifuna urapper ngoku can search artists as rapper uDigwala was the first one and I was inspired so indlela like umoya wakhe indlela beqhuba ngayo like it's the thing that made me come like
as a female and then
push and
I like it
let me go for it
and just kulento thitha ngayo futhi uDigwala noKhanyini abanye unayo indlela oyibona ngayo namhlambe Nick ingathi ixesha elininzi andike ndinibone manje nisebenza kunye
Yeah, as females, I don't know. I don't know.
Ngabe
Yeah.
khona oyibonayo wena mhlambe engathi mhlambe
It happens a
ikhona
lot.
like
Well, ikona le recent song kaBrilly Imbokodo. I don't know if you know it. There's me, Lady P and Nikki Z. So I feel like after a while, because like, you know, siyafuna collab as a female artist, but you know why? So drop la track, class dropile la track. Do you know what's gonna happen? Ubani ucula nswembu kunobani, ubani ucula nswembu kunobani. Hey, they work le game. You
that
are-
is why
It's always like
There is
that.
a saga
I don't wanna
feature
lie.
in
Yabo,
most.
and ke ngoku kwawena bamhlamba ufila like you hayi kodwa abantu bancoma mina kakhulu hayi nami ndi top dog yabo uqala
Bless.
uzinike lana yabo iqala phala lanto. And even kwamna to the extent that I was like ngiyafuna usebenza namanina but at some point ufuna kube ne pause because
Yeah.
like iba khona man la there's always that thing when it comes to female rappers. I don't know. I feel like it's not easy for them to support each other. Yabo. Funeke like ukuze ubani ndimsupport hayi kanti chomi yami hayi siyancokola mina naye yabo. But as for artists mhlambe kuthiwa uyayibona iya push ipha kude awunayo lanto ba haza amncede entweni lo andibanomazi yabo. So I feel like that's the thing because if female artists yafuna collab with each other and I've seen like a lot of artists go like senze collab and stuff like that but uzubone ba ndingathi ndingu-Eve ndine idea ngaske mhlambi senze track whereby mandithi there are 10 female artists omnye drop verse lakhe omnye drop verse lakhe omnye drop verse lakhe it's all about bars punchline yilonto uzobona after la track iphumile kuzoba beef ethile ba mvano bani it's always
That's what
like
I
that.
noticed the most.
Yeah, but
because
it's always
yeah.
like that. And go kumna andifuna uxoxa anayo la mo. You can even go with timeline yam. Like abantu banayo lanto ba ubone like artists figures yaphifana like on social media anayo lo energy. I don't
You can't
want to
waste your
lie.
energy on this.
And that's also strength. So sometimes I'll be like, let me just stay in my lane to avoid the ways needs yabo because I'm just tired.
As long as we love events,
Yabo.
but at some point they can mess up.
And go like if
I focus on.
like if
Imalwayi
like if ziqaphela pha TikTok isikakhulu because the following yami pha like I'm hitting numbers kakhulu ku TikTok so like baqaphela pha bamposte into ufike be mention as artists ngamacher ba you should feature ba yonke into ngabi inge feature
They don't know.
to the extent I don't understand sometimes akufuneka into ibe nge feature ukuze kuthiwa like for an example they'd be like but like they mention uD Tukwala you should feature for uD to show love to me as a young artist he doesn't have by feature
Yes.
with her texting me inbox you like uNtswempi like keep it up that's the motivation I can hold on to like for a long time now you know Tukwala said this about it's all about it's always about a feature and then abayazi ba feature yenzwa nje ukhupha imali because you pay for a feature kumuntu opha phezulu and it's more than 1,000 yayiqaphela so don't say feature hela it maninike account yami ufakile 5,000 then zayenza le feature yabo so abantu like sometimes abazi understand there's a way that it's not about 2,000 feature but at the end of the day funeka ginyile because he or she has to put food on the table yabo
They know that way what's happening behind the scenes.
abayazi kabona umuntu uya like bayabasile ke bawuthanda umculo but at some point ngaske basifake kwi-shoes ze-artist ba yeah ngaske abantu banenza i-feature nobani bani but ke ngoku la feature yenziwa nje yabo
Yes.
yabo
It's not easy, bro.
it's not that easy. It's not that easy.
It needs into ezenzekayo.
damn
And I want to know ukuthi uyayazi nawe xa uqala kule industry ne. Yeah, when you starting over izinto zithanda ubanzima and then ndifuna uyazi ba expression yabantu from your first song owayenzayo from your first record kanjani.
Oh so
I was
like
yeah, Eve lapha and then I'm doing this thing.
Umjida Artivist Entrepreneurs Pty Ltd brings you the fresh Umjida Dry Gin, Umjida Wines, Artivist Dry Gin, Artivist Wine. You can get it anywhere. Just holler at us 084-03-81-900 or you can contact Cadenza at New Wave Podcast and get hold of us. Ijan Endala, Ijan Yasekasi, Umjida, a representation of a hero, Yaselokshini.
so ingoma yami yokuqala ngugame.
Yeah.
That was like back in 2019 as I said I was doing grade 9.
Yeah.
So I dropped the song in December. Yabo I was just wanna ndifuna ucula ndifuna ukhupha umculo
kwenzeke njani, yeah.
Eyaba xa ukhuphe umculo ifuna ukupromote I didn't care about that I just wanted to have a song
And
out there,
listen to
yabo.
myself.
Yeah. So yeah, I dropped the song yabo. Like obviously ka drop it track abana bakwazi mo.
Yeah.
And ke ngokumna back then ndingena handle whereby not ba dine following yazi bandiyasithemba if drop a track yami share link, people will pay attention. And I was only on Facebook ngela xesha.
You wasn't more like
akho Instagram, akho TikTok, there's nothing, there's no Twitter, there's nothing. I'm only focused on Facebook. So I dropped the song and ndamane share labantu link bone. I don't know how angazi abantu abashare link but joka ndabashare labantu link afaka I link ngoba ndabaninzi. So there was this other event hosted abanye amajita pha eKasi ndwaziyo, so ndaqomba andazwa mozo, so akho uzavela ndifake line up yakhe kofuneke like ndingabi na pride ndicela bandifake. So nabe ndibone number yabo phaka post and I called them ban ngavuya la ku perform. And they're like Lunik was like, okay, cool, sure, you can perform yabo, send the track yakho sive. And I sent the song and but banengoma I1 for now yabo, but ke bona okay, sure. I performed the song, I don't want to lie, I feel like for the first time and that baby I feel so like didn't
so that thing already
that's the Takataka stage. It's my first time even like being on stage when I perform, but then Takataka I'm like the energy I had and like then and I was still young, so then and like
and then the audience
they were like they were crazy, they were like
another energy.
The energy I was like so like by London you're like untwempe stuff like that, keep it up yabo. But I feel like back then I was like dancing, I was like stuff like that because I was just so addicted ba perform and I just posted content online and stuff like that. I just kept on performing. But those my baguette, the guy who came with this Slolo Wave, he showed love to me like big time. I remember this other time when Slolo hang out and he only had me line up as a special guest. That's when I started singing
Islolo. Let's talk about Islolo kondo yaziyo because indaba yeSlolo ne ndiyayibona okay uBravo okay bayaphakamisa iSlolo. So mhlawumbe ikonto yaziyo ngeSlolo nosibalisela yona mhlawumbe uthi iSlolo saqalwa ngulo muntu and ebe i-movement okanye into yomuntu oyi-one.
So like mna ngokube ngiqala urapper ikokibila wave ba ubone iSlolo siya inventwa like Slolo everybody like iSlolo. So iSlolo size with the guy kuthiwa nguSlim Mapakete. Ikona la ngoma ka Bravid sathula kani banifuna ngamandla. So uyachaza phaba le way ndayithatha ku Snip qaba wayifakela i-team. So iSlolo saza no Slim Mapakete and iSlolo it means isigoqo. Islolo like the way you situate like kwabantu like indlilo yiyo yabo like islolo sakho so it's like that and go kusaza no Slim Mapakete yabo. He like he even has the merchandise Slolo and stuff like that, so everybody knows by like Slim Mapakete Slolo yabo. And go I don't want to lie, him he showed like too much love back then when one was like okay umncinci but ne passion
like
so whenever there's something Eve pull up whenever he's doing a show because he better to host like he's Lolo hangouts kubeko Bravo line up or simulation raps Holy Alpha to Koala sometimes like boy like artist as like we industry and then unfag like we line up. That was a huge thing because I wanted to be and even now like because sometimes that banana yabo manese hayi nakubona uyapusha keep it up. If I don't want to lie, Slim Mapakete is one of our Grootman industry that showed love to me period like abanye abantu banazi but Slim Mapakete was there kungaba kubukeka bikho kwa
when everything started and everything took off.
And rapper he already knew but like she's next, she didn't have ba abe on social media and chong bantini ngokela kwakhe and performer. So Slim Mapakete has been there and I always appreciate him for that.
Salute Pura Mapakete.
Salute mamela sizabaleka sijonge ilanto usicela nge EP yakho ezaphuma usicakisele before that, but before siya up ngicela nje sibalekise nje sileqise nje naso sibhengezo esiqhebo ngena ngoku.
Umjita Activist Entrepreneurs kunye ne-National Arts Council bebambisene ne-The Market Theatre Laboratory basiphathele Zafingane concert with Liso the musician. Idate 24 ka-August 2024, ixesha ngo-7. Ivenue yi-Market Theatre Ramulo Makhene Theatre. Amatikiti 120 web tickets okanye uyawafumana nakwa Pick n Pay. Naxa ufuna uzenzela lula uyakwazi ukufaka yakho cash bakuthengele. Bamenyewe ke abafundisi, iministers, abantu bokuhlala ukuze bazokunabela ingoma ezimiyoli noLiso the musician.
Back to kuwe Eve osibalisele ngala EP yakho izawuphuma.
Oh yeah, so EP Kamandla ka Efa. Yabo, Mandla ka Efa igama EP. So EP was supposed to premiere this year March. Yabo. But again when EP was so close but iphume I lost my mom. So I postponed doing into it. Everything that has to do with my content I postponed it. So go like benifuna udropa like next year go July, but management next year go January, sorry. So but the management was like nah, because my sisters manage me, so they were like nah, can't drop in November, because that like abantu need like music from you so they can hear your own side of the story. So as I was saying, but like as Eve, I appreciate people addressing me as a female. Yabo. Yes. So that's why I was like Mandla ka Efa, because I would love like artists needs outside there. Yabo. Even like some other like young female artists who want to start music. Yabo.
Yeah, okay.
So bias, but like you don't have to change yourself. You don't have to. You don't have to kill
just
yourself.
Be yourself,
like,
man. Be proud of who you are.
Like cows are accepted play luku yoba okay like so mnagla EP ibi power of Efa, but abantu abaninzi bahamba besithi mayingabi power of Efa ithi amandla ka Efa yabo. So I was like okay sure. Yeah, so okay, sure, guys, about ngamandla ka Efa, because they were like on my DMs, maybe ngamandla ka Efa. So yeah, and I drop up ku November. I have 7 songs because 7 is my luckiest number. Times 7. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, like I love 7. Like 7 is my luckiest number.
It's because you snip. Sislolo sound. Okay.
But I love 7 and I also want to have 7 kids. So
oh, okay. Now we have 7. Now we have 7 now. How many kids do you have now? 0.
I just cannot bring kids. Money. No.
Oh, okay.
I need money.
What about up a new wave, ne? Like it's funny taste. Mandla ka Efa. Say Khaleli taste.
It tastes Mamela. Magasibekele taste later on.
Yeah.
Usibekele later on the taste. Yes, it's coming. In terms of past being up 1, 2.
1 introduction.
We have wave.
Ungaziphethe suphelele.
Introduction. Sure.
Okay. So kwi EP yakho usebenze nabani? And futhi mhlambe ubabe kuya ngokwakho ubunayo funding, mhlambe ubona usebenza nabani, kodwa kasiqala usebenze nabani kule EP?
So like EP Dinazi features as the artists as whereby they are doing like huge waves and moves up at Cape Town.
Yes.
But then my management was like people must hear you like when cool. So I can only like mention Pro Child for now.
Yes.
Pro Child is gonna be like EP. I was also planning to have Uzmowa, but my management was like let's just have 1 or 2. Yabo. So ikoni ngoma end Pro Child guyo, and then there's another song whereby Z2 like ingoma ezine features yabo. Kuko leku Pro Child, and then enye there's me. There's Ulizi Lane, there's Ulero the Hustler and Oraz, yabo. So I can say that I have like 4 artists, yabo, because abanye badibaniseke ingoma eyi-1 and then kubekho le separate yam no Pro Child.
Okay.
Liz Lane mbize siyamdinga la.
Uzawuza mkhunqa kokwa.
Yeah. So ngaphandle kwe management yakho and let's say you can management and then you've got funding and ubuno khalela usebenza nabani wena kule EP mhlawumbe uthi ayabona kum without management.
I want to Kanye Mavi. Oh, I don't want to lie. I feel like
sisi ngawuphendule nawe. Pendula sisi.
I don't want to lie.
I'm even speechless.
If like ngafumana ukhaya.
Uyabona.
Like yonke ngaqhubeka, yabo. Cuz now I'm not about I believe umculo wami can put me where I want to be because like I'm capable. Sometimes abantu like misconfuse lanto about go feature artist a big yabo uzawuba like yabo at the end of the day ungayifeatureisha la artist big but ke ngoku still if mhlawumbe ubungena following like let me make an example ubune following encinci uyabhadala le artist for this like le feature and then if la artist ayisharanga la project still ayizusebenza la nto hamba usithi denza i-track nobani bona ngayisharanga so you see
useless.
Now you sound desperate sometimes.
ingathi uncengile
I think italent mna I believe ukuthi kumele uyeke izithethelele.
Mayizithethelele when I just have attractive content ngayo.
If une goal then une plan.
Yeah, you must have an attractive content.
Become a better artist,
because you can't like one thing about me, I know that umculo wami whenever I'm rapping on my songs and all the stuff, like people have this certain image ba yo Eve unje uyabo and then abantu xa benibona bebuy kwi content zami I'm wearing iboho, I'm wearing those long skirts and stuff like
abantu
interested isekhona female rapper like le mihle nxiba hlobo yabo so abantu baba interested lan. That's why I'm saying you just have to be able to conduct the content yakho to like to give people like la masterpiece bayifunayo, because at the end of the day I it might not be perfect ngalo ndlela ufuna ngayo but at least just try for it by be perfect kenzele izawutsala umdla wabantu. So yeah, it's like that.
No, nami ndibonile style sakho ndisithandile nami I mean like
stylish yabo
ayohlukile andifuna uxoxa ohlukile
indawo yesangena apho ufikile Eve nikile Eve
unga Adam ufikele kuwe
nambo
unga Adam wena
into kayiyanqonye
Adam craft
Adam Eve kama ndohleli wena Eve kama ndohleli icam kwakho uhleli ne-artist nayo because i-artist nayo awungamazi
thenga loo nto kum
ithetha nje le ngulwangezi i-artist he's been there for ixesha elininzi yabo and naye bekwafumana ixesha lale peak naye kwaziwa kakhulu but usaziwa nangoku usaziwa na ukhaka drop ngoko upopha nimazi ba into nebangela lonto leyo andiyazi ba into nebangela lonto leyo but anga drop kwenzela so bekumele ba niya collaborate ngokuthi okay sure after this let's make a song and stuff like that.
Expect something from Adam and Eve.
Sesilapho konke
so kune artist abona apha eCape Town kanjani Cape Town EP we man like blessed kakhulu blessed kakhulu kha ke lo uthe wafumana spotlight wangathi noko ukwi spotlight phakuye uvele afune uthini afuna ungasherishi okanye angafuna unceda abanye kodwa ayazi insokolo yabanye abantu anjani. So wena xa uyijongile wena igame yalapha eCape Town okanye industry lapha eCape Town ungathi females nendondoni sithetha like general yonke mhlawumbe ubona ndoni into le ethi iyashota apha mhlawumbe xa kunothiwa nje apha and then I think sonke like I mean like ninswembu but kushota ndoni and yes then ningake nifane ne-artist eziset Joburg nenze gigs
yazi into at some point abonga ukuba usithi like ndifela njani nge-artist ezipha ezingafuna ushare mna don't blame them yabo and like ibuya qabela ngoku it is always like ba mhlawumbe ufika kwindawo ebhayiko ki-artists i-debate ba obani baphumelela ngoku abasasibheka xa besibona umuntu engathi wara yabona mna one thing I know for music video yakhe idlala ku-channel you pay money for that for like umculo wakho uvele kwindawo ezithile you pay money for that yabo for you to like to be promoted like by pages and people who have a lot of following you pay for that yabo and then buza into nengxaki afuna uxoxa mna shem you see me akho mntu nelaka yemali ngathi ngumuntu oselayo you know that I so wish if bensela ba waflag la mali ngeyilapha phezulu kwamagxa wami because you know why kuko lamajita pekas aya rap they rap bayaphangela yabo
Yeah.
uthi kwami ndikumsebenzi this year because nizi nje into enza hayi kufuneke like ndithe correct because you know why okokuqala aba bantu bayaphangela you know they have money
Yeah.
but akho weekend izinkulu akho weekend baphostayo kuthiwa umuntu akayithenganga ishort akathenanga and then abe nesibindi sobuya ahlale phaba obani baphumelela basiwoyi uthini ngomculo wakho wena
Yeah.
you literally know for your music to be there you have to pay money kuthini ngakuzibuze wena abantu bapha benze ntoni that's money yonke into like
Yeah.
you're like yonke into inemali you know abantu like I don't want to lie artists ezininzi ziyathanda uphathelwa into nge3
Yeah.
yabo officially like in music industry it's not a 5-star restaurant no it's not so you just have to khupha imali yabo it's like that because I've been noticing abantu abaninzi bayathetha ba like abantu waphumelela akasiwe akafuna ushare into ethile yebethu do your own research ubanjwe indoni
don't sit back and relax
because when you just sitting and then ulindele la mntu azokuxela ba ndathi no don't play with
okanye
me
hama siya shoes impopile
because kwaba bantu bakhalazayo they do baba nayo imali not ungaya kububabuze ngicela ukubuza wakho ayikhuphi 50 rand ubhatala ezi pages like zi promote artists
Yeah.
you know never kodwa xa upayile the first thing you know ubutywala and stuff like that and go artists nale mentality yoba whenever they have money everything is about booze and all the stuff figure kwezi event benxelile bengakwazi noziphatha kakuhle stuff like that
umuntu unxelile
before I perform umuntu uthe stage imic uyayiwisa phansi kwale mic ufuna uyophula and stuff like that so I don't want to know I feel like it's self discipline at some point ezinye artists azinayo yabo and people judge before they get kwinyawo zomuntu because at the end of the day for like artists ezininzi ezinkulu or D or Da Bravo or like lot of artists I was asked by like zezentoni ukuze sifike but you don't know how much money they spent and then when you coming out here you talking a lot baba bantu abaniki access kwinto ethile and stuff like that wena wenze ntoni wena so that's why I'm saying now I don't judge those artists because when aziyazi zifike njani
you did nothing
when the best thing you can go is to go there and ask for motivation ba except hayi man sesipese spirit sasikuphusha uyabo because nami ndafuna uyenza lewe uyabo because I don't expect okoqala lo muntu zange wambuza lo mbuza but so sithi hawu bantu waphumelela kasaziwoyi buke waya kwe wambuza no you did not xa ngokuziva ubreak parts that's the thing yabo ke mnake that's the thing I don't like even kwezi debates ze artists ntomona ndiyazikhupha because I'm like yebethu ubuke wahlala phansi lo muntu understand you did not
okay and ubaleza izinto zayi2 uthi baleza izinto zayi2 which means ayiyo lento ibinambe ndiyicinga mhlambi mina bencinga ba okay ukubheka eJoburg so you mean ngokunicacisela izinto ezithu zibeke phansi wazimention ezithu uthi iartist koqala zona azizihloniphi zona zikhwele staging zinxelile ziyasela futhi itraft yazo azihloniphi nazo azikhupheli imali kodwa ziyayifuna into enswembi so hayi ke nandi yacacelwa lento even nani Majida nibukeleyo please bafethu ihlonipheni draft yenu
have the money
yeah fuck imali uzobona
invest in your craft
yes
I don't want to lie
fuck imali uzobona ukuze into yenzeke nyani like buya ifuna equality kufanele
you pay for equality
you pay for equality yabo yeah and then abantu abaninzi they always ask me ukuthi sometimes I do advertise kwi page yami ukuthi ndifuna hiccup so babuza kumba zi artists ezithini ezizona uzishutela free ezinye uzishutela ngemali less yabo so they don't know ukuthi kalokho mamela mina ndenza business yabo yonke into endiyenzayo involve imali even xa ndihamba ndishutela lo muntu lo ndimshutela free le equipment sobe ndihirishile ngemali yami yabo kuba ndifuna ukwenza equality mna di-investa ntoni kum ngantoni ifoni ngabantu ngakho
le
that's there never mind it's fine izasicimela so mna into endiyenzayo ndivile ndithi ndihirishe good landoka quality cameras London ndizayishoot noba zi-lights entoni ndihirishe zona ngoba into endifuna igqibele ndifuna equality kodwa lento endiyenzayo ndiyazi uba ndichithe imali ayizungena kuma kodwa zoshoota for free kodwa lento endiyenzayo ndifundisa mna khona into ebendiyifunda qha ngoku ndifuna uthini ndifuna ukuqinisekisa uba nyani ndiyifundile nto because oqala uyayifunda into kodwa into ebalulekileyo ngokuthi ufinini practical ke ngoku uyenze le uyenzisise so ndiye ndicheck ke ngokuba ndingathatha bani umuntu at least endivibe at least ndiyayibona indlela yakhe ba
potential
kune potential ba ndiyayibona indlela ikhona into apha yabo and then ke ngoku abanye ke ngoku abantu endibancedileyo kanjalo yabo baye ngokubona bathi ngela xesha bengena video bengena nix okanye bene video as week yabo so ndibaxelela ba ndicharge imali eso but ndikwenzela ngoku for free ngenxa yesizathu sinje yabo athi ke ngokuyoba nemali yena abaleke ayoshuta kwenye indawo ayokuthi hey mfowethu masenze so masongeze kula igiya ubunayo masishute so I'm always open kubantu abanjeni wesikandi xa undu selecting ngokwami abani into endilindileyo kwendlela yokuba uthi kuwe ndinemali enga ngoku ndicela songeze mani kula equipment bunayo ndivile ubukhalba so na so sasishute iwe show anamali ungathi andinamali like total yithi ndinayo imali but anayi imali yokubhatala kodwa for equipment yonke le equipment uyifunayo lena ndiyakwazi kule budget nale budget cela sihambe siyo hire yabo ndizenze izinto then ke ngoku lanto ke ngoku ilanto yenza ba sibheke phambili ne artists zalapha ke ngoku eze hip hop eze ntontoni musician ezingafuna ezingabheki phambili nxa yalonto ba azifuni ukhupha imali let's try lento uyabo uyambona mos producer ukudinga ntoni yabo mhlawumbe umzekelo uyambona ba odinga i-pop feel to fake ikausi phaa la wezini you can just say like emfowethu imali lewe athi 800 ngenye imini surprise mfethu does it man kudala undirecorder so ngoku masuse le kausi ngoku yabo kule kausi
the kausi
wabo kule kausi yonke ithetha inuki kausi
but like yeah man it's like that andifuna uxoka because at some point akufuna ukuzicacisa ebantwini yabo because abantu bahle nje banemibuzo uqombeni noma kulo mbuzo ngenaphi because like at the end of the day lento uthetha like lento uyithethayo there are people kwamna ubone like bayazi avela for unshooter like for free but achaze umuntu ba but uyazi ke banthena nishuti for free yabo but kubi ngube yabo maybe mhlawumbe uyazazi ba xa ndimshutile lo muntu ngenxa ye following yakhe bakhona abantu abazofuna nthini like nthini bashute unofish ke ngokumnanza umention apha ba abantu banoshuta ngemali ethile yabo and then abantu zathi hayi is cool ndinayo ndiyafuna usibana nayo so at some point like into zobushuta abantu for free you gaining something now from that it's not like you're doing a bad thing xa abantu bahle nje abantu bazithanda za for free abantu bayathanda artists zazithanda doza mahala
and there's another thing andiyazi basingenza njani I'm including myself as an artist. So ngifuna uyazi from wena ukuthi le situation is facing nayo as artist kwelkapa senze njani. Shall we start calling meetings as artist to try and make it better? Yabo. As singabantu abaculayo kudala sabalapha, we need to do something because we more like a foundation. Shall we do that or else umuntu avela zilwele enze lento ayenzayo separate umuntu aziphumelela ngapha omnye uphumelele ngapha siyithini le kapa le because isezandleni zethu artistic
because ikona kalanda uthi ba I will stick kwi lane yami bakhona abantu bazofika bazokuchukumisa uphume kule lane yakho yabo so like it's always like that abona mina I don't wanna la ndifuna uqoqa ndibe nditsala ndisithini yaba ngunyaka onesiqhuma kube kubizwe meetings because oqala iartists asifani siphuma kwamakhaya ngafaniyo the way we speak abanye bakhathala umuntu uxela umuntu ezongexelele lento axelela nibezafika ihlale njani ngoba nganaxesha lalo and abanye abantu when you're trying to correct something they always like see you as if ba une pride you're trying to make yourself better than them yabo so I'm just trying to say but stay focused because hey there's a lot Zana
I'm saying this thing
stay
because
focused stay focused
I'm saying this thing because I don't know nyani situations as fun when you go to Joburg dabona into enhle Joburg I was once there so I'm getting this call ukuthi tomorrow I have to meet Flash Anderson when I got there yonke into ambitious that bano Flash the cell blam dasazula in town collecting artists up until saba around about 11 12 as artist kukho nabantu abasijongileyo ke pha abasipostayo esihamba nabo bajonge into zethu ndabona into enhle pha and then aba bantu babe pha because studio session ngala day wonke lamuntu lo asahamba sa Eastern Cape we had to issue money so support to Flash Eastern Cape eKaslak we were there for a week eKasel kamchita elalini wathatha yonke igroove elalini yakhe you see sahamba sinjalo singalo majita sayo supporta uFlash wonke umuntu wabuye happy money wise kuphile so they think up Cape Town say need a lot
because that's rare up Cape
because dina ngoku sa lose anything when it comes to interest up Cape sebenzela kwela cala I think that's good.
It's not good at all. It's not because like ukwase Kapa but usebenza eJoburg it means la kuphakamisela
so ndabona into enhle kakhulu we need to grasp that energy. We have to take
and
it.
You're like energy alapha is so draining like amaxesha amaninzi.
Support alapha.
It's draining like period. It's draining because like not everybody wishes good for you. Uyayibona lapha. And like I'm telling you, mna mntu who attends this show. Hey,
tell us about it.
Pamela, ebe showing. Even kwam I do like have like rappers, whether it's female or male rappers. I do have nkombe lo. And mfundo umbona now like njalo yabo but at some point it's not that like I'm wishing them bad. Oh, that's one thing about me, I'm not that type of person. If I feel like having you mhlambi let's say siyasachayisana ngalonto asavana mina one thing I will block you social handles zam because you know what it's not actually net drama and stuff like that. I'm trying to prevent myself ba ndibene ubona ukhulelwe inzondo because I know that at the end of the day ndizawudibana nawe ku events and stuff like that. Even if ndiblokile I know that you're still gonna see me
and for ukuphula ke izidanti is unnecessary like
mamela like the artists like and as blockayo like ezipha ku Facebook and Instagram I'm pha ku prison yam abantu they know my moves, they know about Eve is making moves, they know Eve is hitting numbers, they know Eve ebepostwe kulomuntu omkhulu ungubani, they know that. So nobody like block. I know at the end of the day you have information about my moves. So like uzathi how Ivan blocker ngibona uyaqoqa uyavanga suqoqa, you know that because I'm the real thing uyavanga so mamela we attend events ababantu ufumase kuba ababantu abavani but trust me they are so good. There's love not me. Not trust me. Tonda fire me if I do that. If mna like ndazaz ba and vanai xa ndimona ke event andizibende senze ubuso bufana and stuff like that. No, but I know that demand lane yam. I stick to my lane. Azibende haka like no hamba and I do
and beware when you
sometimes I think ba ndim lo mhlambi like I'm different or what because abanye abantu are so good at acting. Yeah, they are very good because ubona abantu abavani ubona lo muntu bekubasa anifana bani nafuna umbona
imagine hang against snake
abo xa sifika event hayibo
hey when you van
hayibo abantu
they are body
they even have a song together
recent one
which come hala so andazi mhlambi mina andikafundo kanye uEve use arrogant or what but maybe nami xa ixesha lihamba ngathamba but I don't want to lie mina. Even my sisters know if Eve akamfulo I'm not that type of person. I don't have that kind of love. Let's just keep it real. At the end of the day there's my event can't feel like event azokuqhwa ngempama. No, I won't do that but go ndiyacela sifika uzonditsibela like stick fast
yeah sorry go lantuka busacho kamnandi mamela man before ndiqhawule and nexesha lethu liyasibetha before usibethele into osiphathele yona ngoba
sangana
before usiphakela usilambile before usiphakela but kunento one and ngikhalela nje ukwendive kuba mhlambi ithine yakho imbono okanye bona ntoni and lento lena iyandihlupha xa ndiyijonga ngoku yabo why mjose ngeCape Town like abantu abalapha eCape Town why i-producers ne-artist xa zibona a-female artist zifunele bedini like let's call her then
that's a good one.
Bona ntoni ngayo
I've never been in that kind of situation before yabo like ukuthiwe mhlambi uyanibiza umuntu e-studio ndiye yabo bakhona abanye uqombe lo uthi ufuna ukubiza e-studio mbona apha kwi DMs ba uyaniqhela
There's a certain way of approaching.
Yabo. I don't want to lie mna. When I started ngona nifuna uqala rap. Ukubona mase basearch abantu uqobo yo umkhulu kodwa lapha eRapini. I was nix. Yafika lapha eKapa ngathi kodwa umkhulu lo. So there's I heard man ekuthiwa ngu Tylingo. Black Tylingo ta. So he was the first one gonna dance endlini sithi ba yabo ngondifuna urap and I went to my phone xa ngisearch abantu ndamtextela ba hi yabona benqamaza ukuzandihoya kanjani but he responded yabona benimqala ba igama lami ngu Eve yabo so ndifuna urap I just anzazi bamaqale ngathi I don't want to lie even today lo muntu ndinguye namhlanje the fact that I can move I can do things that I'm doing he told me before yazi Eve since you're saying you want to rap I will tell you okay I will tell you ba do not do you
sure
like be independent yabo ungadepend kwabanye abantu if you're rapping do your own thing and stuff like that like and stay focused
communicate with yourself
yabo uzazi ba like ufuna ndoni because like even when I was deciding about okay in the studio I don't want to lie Biza KFTF I will always like appreciate him because that figure he recorded me Biza KFTF
go Biza wait
Biza KFTF he told me everything and figure pa and for all these years like the rap I've been recording there KFTF I'm part of KFTF and he has been like telling me to stay wise and all the stuff so I don't want to lie and I've seen like a lot of female rappers posting wow Biza studio ufuna ndlala
and then it ends in tears.
I don't like that I don't like that because I do have freestyle HBV that I once dropped pagu TikTok yabo and cookie line pa ethi ba kukhona mosabe kuthiwa ijana iketch yabo so cookie line pa ethi ba nesi slogan so kubi ijana iketch and ufuna noqoka sindenzela isiyezi because that's why le way nithatha ngeforce ndikwazi noqola neproud bubhanqa
yabo
so ibuya khona le day
so I feel like ingalotho because you can never umbona umntana abantu is serious about music yambiza and then lapho uzamthatha advantage because okwaqala like we don't operate ngendlela efanayo yabo mhlawumbe omnye uzothi xa fike pha you are if indlines are like so bana le track yabo and I don't even entertain la producers zibhale pa ku Facebook ba mhlawumbe ngiyanetha okay guys mayizi female rapper ifuna i-studio session like it's ngomba like that's disgusting but even if abantu beyihleka but I feel like this is disgusting yabo kwenye icala because I'm like lento uyayithetha kumnandi but zininzi like female artists who quitted music because of this thing yabo nah I don't support that matter of fact if naive akuthiwa producer I want to know but I feel like ngamqhekeza no ndenza lo nto mna I don't want to lie
and I appreciate that question there
I don't want to lie that's very bad because I remember I won't mention names but there was this other event ngona ndiqala urap and stuff like that
we can mention them abazokwazi into next
ngona ndiqala urap and stuff like that so le line up ezabandim nenyi cherry like a repayo I think it was gonna be my second event in the perform I was so excited but kwenzeka ndangekabikho explode ku20 yaphuma ekhayile ndakomanya ngakhwela ibhasi nekaya lonto ubone pha uhakustote enyanga ubone uyoyika and stuff like that officially ukutata why organize transport but it happened ngokuba singakwazi ukuya lona nikhathazeke nyani ubone like benifuna ukuya nyani xa ngibona ki events ukuthiwa beperformile ubani bekumnandi and stuff like that and ndiqomba ndiphosiwe do you know what happened xa senisiya pha this year like penyanga kwichom zam kukho no bubbly and stuff like that xa sithi babani balisele about bekunjani event they told me like yo ubani bamselisa umntana wanqela kakhulu and then bambeke emqolo bamqwaya and then xa bathi beyofika phe roomini be like benza folians do you know all of like disgusting things and then mna ndithi man ndithe nqabe senza ipost khona there was this other silly post ba yo ubani umntana bebe like phezulu kwakhe but aqomba confused ababekusenza ngantoni and stuff like that and I'm like lamajita are proud even ngoku ukubona like lamajita xa ngena event ndimbona thina labantu banalawe ubona uyafika ngisatha yo Eve no hey branga songanibambi cho andifuna unqwaye naye ngiyoqwala yabo like I don't want to lie mina zikhona iway webhayi ndifike ku social media abantu bayazihleka like basithetha ngendlela entertaining but mina I don't entertain way whereby I know that as way abantu bazithetha but at the same time there are a lot of like female rappers who struggle from these things. That's one thing that hurts me. She's no longer rapping.
They killed her from inside. You see, and I think you raised that question. Guys, I'm gonna say this thing to you. In New Wave podcast, we don't promote gender-based violence. Please stop that thing.
Stop it.
You see, I'm gonna repeat it. We don't promote GBV here. Please stop that thing.
Please,
Abantwana baluza careers, baluza everything they have. They have nothing to hold on now.
Please Bafit.
Yes.
Please Bafit. Because ngoku singena kwinyanga yabantu abangomama. Please guys man, lento ndifuna because ibhlungu nyani leyo man uvuba lamntana lo wane wayenzwembu ka ufumanisa ba indoni isimoko uthi because ndaye ndajola nobani uphofu bani wanibiza wathi masiza collaborate then asa end up asa record a song then saphele bedini
ingoma yasebedini
record
and then they have another record yabo bese bedini yabo I pay kuye ngondweni because wayengayifuni lanto mhlawumbe kwaphela kusenzeka into abanye mhlawumbe wamitha omnye then kwanyanzeleka kuba lewe ifuneka ifihliwe abothu umntana yabo lawe akaphinda buyele back because uzocinga lanto bayizaphinda yenzeke
yazi kwezi events uzobona lo muntu ivana
anyanga guys yabona Cape Town guys if singake siyeke lonto le I think singabheka phambili xa siyibona yonke iartist female artists xa sizibona sizihlonipha because baba bantu bambalwa egaming guys siyabadinga gaming we need them
as a spice
siyabadinga and babaphathwe ngenhlonipho bahloniphe sibanike nothando cha xa sibafuna lonto sibafunela yona mabazokwenza yona lento bayi-expectileyo baphathwe kakuhle baphinde babuyele back so that nabo bazokwazi ukukhuleka nokuthumela nabanye abantu nabantwana bakokwabo nabantwana babo ezindaweni ezithile uyabona ngokuzaba nzima ngokuthumela wakho umntana uthi nondam athi umntana uzawuhlala azorecorda the whole night endaweni ethile because uzawucinga lanto yayisenzeka yabo kanti ubulala enye into onye umuntu akazanga ngalonto leyo kanti xa sinovele siyeke siye ngomoya oyi-1 Majida please man masebenzeni ngalento mayibe ibusiness sihlonipheni umntana abantu ahlonipheke ahlale right
nathi sihloniphani
yes usiphathele intoni kunyanga abantu abangomama khawusifise safika
okay
manda ka Eve livile la impilo nina
uzasiphi freestyle kan
aba
freestyle kan
or maybe masingene endabeni funa
straight endabeni okay
mna ndifuna endabeni straight
all right let's go quickly kwi live performance
yeah
awe masilungisa woo we still on we still on
kubale befone apha
abantu bapha
bangavuya babe khona
okanye umuntu wakho ngathi
kanetho uphe ayiwaqhebe lo podcast na
all right we good let's go
imake sena njani
no she's
charge
she's doing live performance so we ready when you're ready you can
mic yam ndiyela kanje
nice siphela kanjalo
ubiza phambi that's good we like it
that was dope I'll speed it no come on please one more please okay guys we still have one more okay one more please
okay one more
just a freestyle
okay
just a freestyle okay let's go
okay yazi ndoni anzurenga kakhulu akho need ubuni act le fan when I know you don't like me, so please stop pulling the scenes. Told you made ndipheka negrote ezindala, now she's up on the DMs. Abantwana keep pressing my buttons forgetting ukuba uEfa libhinqa lokuqala, but suwara andiqanjitshi fast oko nafika kulomdlalo madala ingathi ndibadlalela ihora zintsomi nestory musically abantwana zizidumbu oko ndibavulela indlela kwiring eyi1 ngoqhusa ngoba banyengelelo okwejeli. Look thothi sihloko xa uthetha nam uringa nebhinqa lokuqala ndiveya neskim samanike sinxeba ovupsi oko ndincuma ekhesa noringa nezilighting ngoba zicinga umatras. Okay.
Damn it!
We've got Halina in the building. Yes! Damn it!
New wave.
Let's go.
Olibhinqa lokuqala nyani ne new wave.
Lokuqala phambili not a back.
Yes, not the back.
Okay.
Ubekhona kuqala before
Bheka phambili andike.
Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. Masibulele manje ixesha osiphileyo. Nethi imvula uphuma imvula esitsho.
No.
Yo siyabulela manje isikhathi sakho.
So siyacela usicela abantu bangakufumana njani?
Oh yeah, so ndiyafumaneka ku Facebook account Eva libhinqa lokuqala, and I also have a page ku Eve, and ndiyafumaneka na ku Instagram Eve_Adams.
Okay.
Again ndiyafumaneka ku TikTok Eva libhinqa lokuqala.
All over.
Yeah, all over.
Ndawo yonke.
Yeah. And I have my music in all social media platforms too.
Thank you for coming. God bless your EP.
Thank you.
Eve.
We out. Yeah.
Sumela yonke into manje lemnanda. Kubeleke uphinde usivizitele wasishika lo nawe.
Stress.
Sifuna manje.
Ubuzwa update.
Maphinda.
Eve.
Yes. Xa kwindaba ezimnandi uphinde uzosichazela uba kuhambeke njani. Ihambe njani?
Yonke into.
Izinto eziqhubekayo after that kwenzeka ntoni usazise xa khona into ethile.
The bag.
All right. Okay,
thank you. No, I'm the Lightness Makinza. We out. Know that New Wave podcast has a call us on. Danko.
Thank you.